want proof, me no one rule. Me just want do the music that is really cool. Me just want say this generation feel my groove.
Ladies and gentlemen, as usual, it is both an honor and high responsibility for me to present it to you this my show. Today, now on top that support your own matter, we dey so. On my right hand side, again Mr. Support Your Own. We believe say Cameroonians they need to do anything for support their own. While on my left hand side, again Mr. Support Your Own. Kill you there. We believe say Cameroonians they do enough for support their own. I will start with you, Mr. Support Your Own. Why do you think Cameroonians don't support their own? Nigeria don't hold Cameroon for a carnage, so Cameroon not be free. Mr. Mojeto, we all know say Cameroon get a well-established and authentic Kolang factory based in Buea. That's correct. We also know say this authentic Kolang factory be owned by one of our most talented celebrity here in Cameroon. Nonetheless, Cameroonians prefer to travel right to Nigeria to purchase Kolangs instead of supporting this our very own celebrity by purchasing his Kolang brands. Furthermore, we also know say Cameroon is a good producer of sardine. Yes. However, our one and only celebrity fish prefer for Langa, Niger sardine instead of Cameroon sardine. Cover that 32 dirty teeth for them. You dey open your 32 dirty teeth, you laugh with it. You laugh your stupidity. You dull, you're a dull. Mr. Mojeto,
yes.
Nigeria don't hold Cameroon for a carnage.
You mean that?
I will lie you. Now Cameroon don't put a carnage for Nigeria more. Mark something. The money wasting here, man, they use and buy was put inside a private jet. You come on outside. Mr. Mojeto, if I give you that Mr. Rio Kolane, you go where that?
I decrease.
Thank you very much. Why fish don't go Langa Niger sardine instead of Cameroon sardine? Mr. Mojeto,
yes.
In those days you even use Cameroon sardine, chop supper, lunch and breakfast. So the next day. Then today you go open sardine. The only thing is here now, head for Munga and red oil. Escape no man. The very una way they shout every day say support your own. And the very una who cancel Naramali show where plenty Cameroonians supposed to perform they get their own small mumbo for chop. Sorry, small mumbo for gin and small guy for chop. Naramali has a bad influence on Cameroon choices. I have 2 boy choice for God's sake. You have 2 boy choice.
You will move out of this house.
Mr. Mojeto, you sure that you arguing on the right person, so?
Yes.
By the way, Jovino the Smoke Igbo, point of erection. Correction. Jovino the Smoke Igbo, Jovi the Smoke na Banga. There is a huge difference between Igbo and Banga. Banga is like the Chinese version of Igbo, so you don't even get any effect. Pa! Cover that 32 dirty teeth. See now, Mr. Support Your Own. More forget about all these Banga, sardine and Kolang stuffs. More talk about the real issues at stake. If me I enter studio, start the shout say, Corona kills, so wash your hands. You go support me? No, answer me. If I enter studio, start the holla say, I'm the goat, man. Or shout say, Brenda Beer looks so sexy. Brenda Beer looks so good. You go support me. Why you choose to focus on all on those songs there? We get plenty talents for Cameroon like Mr. Liu and Fish. Why you not focus on those? Of course, Mr. Liu and Fish be very talented, but talent alone is not enough. In fact, talent accounts only for 1% of your success. The remaining 99% now packaging. And we all know say Mr. Liu and Fish not sabi package. I don't want to talk about Mr. Liu Kolang because we already know about that one. Today I want to focus on Mr. Liu 6 packs. Mr. Mojeto, Mr. Liu 6 packs they reach for confirm for Banga Bush. That very Banga Bush will nearly kill my mama take care. On the other hand, look sapping where Fish take and go awards. Even the girl Vanessa where be the go there the hope say go brain Fish let's go ask now show your man nigga.
You will move out of this house.
Okay, what about Kosi? Kosi they talented. Kosi the package. He gets swag, handsome. If I get everything, why the next supporting the way it's supposed to be supported? And I just like for the up and up so wow. So Kosi just come off from Mama Ebele, land for update. No me like come on and they push it for update. Yes, Kosi be very talented and this a bit for package. Well. But you forget to mention one very important limiting factor. Height. We all know say Kosi brief past Grandpay and Senghor Dollar combined. We also know say Vanessa and Co like height, pass even the way in the whole life or cut life for Cameroon. Where me say girls the day where they no go support Kosi, not because he not be talented, or not because he not sabi package, but not simply because he brief like brief illness or briefcase. Leave that thing. Mr. Mojeto, if the argument I say Cameroonians they need to do more for support their own, I will tell you say yes, we need to do more. But if the argument I say Cameroonians, they support their own at all. I go tell you, may you cover that at 32 dirty teeth. Yes, the very artists where they cry every day say support your own. Now they very them when they sing Makossa inside their video, they dance na shaku shaku. How many of these people where they cry say support your own, they use Kokoso? No, no laugh, it's not funny. How many of these people you never see online, they brag about drinking Matango, Folere, Sha, Kondie, Afofo, or even Foster Club? How many? When they don't make them for life, instead of them for use their money for the consume these local products, you go see them online, they brag now with Jack Daniels, Remy Martins, Gold Label, Black Label, and all sorts of foreign products. Tomorrow, when we want to celebrate our own making, by best saying, you will start here say support your own, support your own, support your own. King una there. Mr. Mojeto, yes. If we want change, then the change has to start with the man in the mirror. Yes, we need more from our artists as much as we need more from Cameroonians. We need an identity, we need originality, we need consistency, professionalism, PAs, publicists, structures, investors, managers, albums like Africa Represented, and hits
like Kilimanjaro.
Or
where you will know, where you will know, where can I get you?
Or
Tax man. My baby not fine. She no get the battle.
Or even
To say I am the pastor, you know me say I be holy man.
if you don't think give we hits consistently,
Yes.
then know us from today say this music so no be a calling.
I don't fail.
So enter Banga Bush, make broom seller, fry your akra banana, boy groundnut seller, cook chop seller, and sell salt for market.
But they can care for my body. True story. My papa no be tree.